Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to order a customized cake on Walmart. Open the website walmart.com, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign in or Create Account. Click on Sign in or Create Account. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign in. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign in. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Services. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Custom Cakes. Click on Custom Cakes. Then you will see an option for Design Your Own Cake. Click on Design Your Own Cake. On this page, browse and select the cake you wish to customize. To select, click on Customize Cake. First, choose the size either 10, 8 or 6. After selecting, click on the right arrow below to choose flavor. Now, choose the flavor you want. Then click on Filing. Third, choose the filling either strawberry or Bavarian creme. You could also select for no selection if you don't want. After that, proceed to icing. Select the color and then click on Top Border. Here, just click on the option that says Top Border, then select the design and color. Next, select the decoration, or you could also click for no selection. Then click on Message. Lastly, enter the handwritten message on cake. And select the color. Now your custom cake is ready. If you wish to make some changes, just click on Edit All Choices. Now, search for your location by entering the zip code, city, or state on the search bar. Lastly, select the date when would you like to pick up. After selecting, click on Checkout. That's how you order a customized cake on Walmart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop for amazing shopping ideas.